Yes. Speak.
सर्वं परमेशं दुःखं सर्वमात्मा वसं सुखं एतद् विद्यात् समासेन लक्षणं सुख दुःखयो. It means anything that's in the control of others is painful and all that's under self-control is happiness, may it be any object or a nation. Greetings to all respected chairs, teachers and my dear friends. I am Pamitra Kar
And I am Avnish Thakur.
We both welcome you to the board of SAMHA.
हम सब ने है ठाना भारत को आत्मनिर्भर है बनाना. भारत का हित आत्मनिर्भरता में ही निहित. What's the need? Why is it the need of the hour? What is the importance of all these motivations given to the citizens of India regarding self-reliance? Actually, India depends on the import of resources from many other countries and in fact pays a larger import bill than the export ones. All these import and export activities were halted during the time of the pandemic. It was very difficult to live without resources as the import of resources was not done due to the cessation of transport.
India faced problems in terms of shortage of medical beds, medicines, masks, PPE kits and COVID testing kits. We realized that it's time for us to rely on indigenous and local manufacturing products and innovations. It proved the famous saying of Shri Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar that अपना कार्य अपने आप करने पर ही हम स्वावलंबी बन सकते हैं और जब तक एक देश के नौजवान स्वावलंबी ना हो तब तक वो देश कभी सुखी और समृद्धशाली हो ही नहीं सकता. Atmanirbhar Bharat is a Hindi term which in English means to be less dependent on others or not being dependent on any other country. It is an announcement done in the economic announcement of May 2020 by our Honorable Prime Minister to make India and Indians self-sufficient by starting the production of daily commodities locally. So, Vocal for Local is an integral part of this Atmanirbhar Bharat scheme. Our Honorable Prime Minister has defined Atmanirbhar Bharat into 5 pillars. Economy, an economy that makes quantum changes in the society. Infrastructure, which will become the identity of modern India. System, a system that will encourage the citizens to start the production of daily commodities in themselves. Democracy, our India is world's largest democracy and this vibrant demography is our strength. Demands. In our country, this demand cycle is a very powerful cycle and this needs to be utilized fully to its peak to get its advantage. One nation, one card, Kisan credit card loans, Make in India scheme are some of the important highlights of this Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan. It also has launched many new schemes in the country like One Rank One Person, PM Uday schemes, Yoga Day, Zero Fraud, etc. etc.
This has been divided into 5 phases. Phase 1, business including MSMEs. Phase 2, poor including the migrants and the farmers. Phase 3, agriculture. Phase 4, new horizons of growth. And Phase 5, government reforms and enablers. They have contributed in the substantial growth of our Indian economy and have provided advantages to our Indian economy. This has also provided many different employment opportunities to the citizens of India and have also reduced the scarcity of food grains and medical supplies all over India. All these white, green and yellow revolutions have unknowingly contributed in the same way to make India more self-dependent.
पहचानो हमें, हम वो हैं जिन्होंने दुश्मनों के लिए फाइटर जेट्स बनाए और संगीन बनाया, लेकिन जब जिंदगी की सांसें टूट रही थी तब भी वो हम ही थे जिन्होंने वैक्सीन बनाया. हम भारतीय हैं, पहचानो हमें, हम वो हैं जो बाणों से भेद कर धरती से धारा निकाल दिया करते थे, एक उंगली पर गोवर्धन उठा लिया करते थे और जब सांसें टूट रही थी तो पहला वैक्सीन हमारे भारत में बनाया था. पहचानो हमें, हम इंडिया वाले हैं. Last but not the least, our India has got a lot of pain till date and after these 75 years of independence, on this 76th Independence Day, the time has come to make the actual meaning of Atmanirbhar Bharat, that is independent India, come into reality as the truth. Our India is like a diamond, just the need is to curate it. And this scheme is a big step towards curating India.
We would now hope that you would have come to know something more interesting about our Atmanirbhar Bharat scheme of India. Any questions?
Chaniti, do you think Abdul Kalam has contributed anything to reach to this Atmanirbhar?
Yes, of course. He has